Hi everyone, again welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you what to say instead of very. So let's get into it. Don't say very roomy, say spacious. Don't say very smart, say intelligent. Don't say very weak, say frail. Don't say very eager, say keen. Don't say very detailed, say meticulous. Don't say very confused, say perplexed. Don't say very crowded, say bustling. The T here is silent. Don't say very simple, say basic. Don't say very tall, say towering. Don't say very different, say desperate, desperate. Don't say very empty, say desolate. Don't say very scared, say petrified. Don't say very serious, say grave. Don't say very poor, say destitute. Don't say very calm, say serene. Don't say very loud, say deafening, deafening. Don't say very old, say ancient. Don't say very slow, say sluggish. So this was our new video. I hope you might have learned something from this short video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning English.